Hello guys and welcome. It's Engineering Rebel, and in this video I'm going to be assembling the head for my 4-cylinder engine. You can see that we have our camshafts ready to go, our valves, our rockers, valve springs, the head along with the head gasket. And once I'm done assembling the head, I'm going to attach it to the block. So let's begin. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video. You guys can see that the head along with the valve cover is on. You can see the little rockers, the camshaft in the middle, and the little head gasket. So thank you guys so much for watching. More awesome videos in regards to this build are coming. I will see you guys in the next one.